Welcome back to part 2 of the oxalic acid precipitation series here. If you look in there, you can see that the oxalic acid was saturated. We've got some nice, beautiful crystals of oxalic acid that have formed in our solution. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of heat. Go ahead and heat this up, and that will dissolve those crystals. I've got this boiling ferociously. Take it down off the heat. And what I've got is another container here. And we're going to transfer the liquid, which is a saturated oxalic acid solution. And we're going to pour it off into this beaker as a waste container. What we'll do now is rinse the gold over and over with some hot distilled water. Hydrochloric acid. Let's move this up on the heat source. I'm going to add some sulfuric acid. Just in case there's any lead in here. I'll add some heat, and I'll start adding small doses of nitric acid. We're going to dissolve this a third time. we go. We're going to precipitate pure gold the third time with some stump out sodium metabisulfite. Here we go. Take about 3 spoons of SMB. There's 2. And number 3. Should do it. There's our white foam. That's confirmation that all the gold has been precipitated. I'm using cold distilled water to rinse the chemicals off the gold initially here, and pouring the waste off into my waste container. And then I've got a jar of hot distilled water, and I'm rinsing it over and over with the hot distilled water to get all the chemicals off there, to get the gold as clean as I possibly can. I think we're dry. Our powder's completely bone dry now. So what I'll do is I'll turn the heat off and let this cool down. Here's our high purity gold powder that we just dried out, triple refined, very high purity. And we were expecting, let's see, I think we had 46.6 grams from this lot of carat scrap. I've got the weight of the container written on the side here. So we've got 3340.2 minus 295.2 equals, so we've got 45 grams of high purity gold sponge. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in this state right here, and we're going to offer this for sale on my eBay site, and I'll put a link to that in the description of the video. Okay, this will conclude the video. Thank you for watching.